So I've been seeing this cooling ace pop up everywhere lately, and I finally got curious enough to check it out myself. On paper, it looks like a tiny portable air conditioner that promises instant cooling, low power use, and something you can just plug in on your desk or bedside table. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the reality: this isn't a real air conditioner. It's basically a personal evaporative cooler, meaning it blows air through a wet filter or water tank to make the air feel slightly cooler right around you. And honestly, that's where expectations matter a lot. If you're buying this hoping it will cool an entire room, you're going to be disappointed. It just doesn't have the power for that. But if you're using it up close, like at your desk while working or next to your bed, it can give a light, refreshing breeze that feels better than a normal fan. Build quality is usually pretty basic too, so don't expect premium materials or strong airflow like a real AC unit. So, is the Cooling Ace worth your money in 2026? I'd say only if you understand exactly what it is: a personal comfort gadget, not a room cooler. Otherwise, you're better off saving up for a real air conditioner